So this is really one of my favorite exercises when you're just getting comfortable, learning how to go, you know, heel to midfoot to toe off. After surgery, we always talk about lengthening the stride. So this is just a great way for you not to have to worry about balance or control or speed.
And see, before the surgery, for a long time, I was not walking right and taking
Sure.
choppy steps. And
Yeah, years
So I've
before
got a lot of-
surgery.
yeah, so I got bad habit to overcome.
How does that speed feel?
The what?
The speed.
That's okay.
Good.
You can go up a little more if you want.
It should be a comfortable pace. It's not about quickness.
Okay.
It's about technique. Now I want you to really think about kind of feeling a little bit of a stretch in the back of the left knee when the foot is in front. When that heel is striking the ground,
Okay.
think of kicking that leg just a little bit straighter. And don't let it drag.